Okay, it's Bobby at Bobby's Hobbies, and this is box number 3. We actually looked through boxes 1, 2, and 4. So this one is out of order. And this is from the TrainMaster collection. So, oh my gosh. So I'm going to leave this box on the floor, and we'll pull it out one by one and see what we got in here. So I can see already there's duplicates in the downtown hotel, so that's a duplicate. It's amazing. All right, let me hook up the camera to the claw that holds in place, and we'll be back. Okay, so we're continuing now with box number 3 that you saw on the side, and we'll pick out stuff one by one. So, first thing here is an Atlas NRE Genset CSX 1301. It's kind of pretty. You know, it looks to me like colors that are Chesapeake and Ohio. I love the Chesapeake and Ohio. Love that color scheme. Anything with the mostly blue and a little bit of yellow seems like some kind of collegiate. I don't know why. Who knows? You get thoughts in your head. Oh, it's CSX, which I don't know what its relation is to Chesty or not. Well, I don't even know if this came out of here. I mean, if it's ever been out of the box. Let's not get crazy, because otherwise it'll take too long to disassemble things. Okay, it looks like it's in excellent shape. We'll have separate videos to test and run things. Here is what I believe is a duplicate of the hotel. This is by Lifelike. So now I got 2 hotels. Bachman Drugstore. Bachman Drugstore. That's nice. Easier standing up. Oh wow. Lima. He made it South Brooklyn. He made it South Brooklyn. So he had to repaint this. I'm supposing that was supposed to be an MTA logo. Maybe nowadays we could get an MTA logo and print it off the internet and put it on there. He probably would approve, I'm guessing. So this is heavy. I don't know if this is the original box. Who made it? Again, we can't open things up now because we'll be here forever. I wonder if he repainted this. Amtrak AEM 7. What was it originally? Did he just notice that the European was the same? He turned it into Amtrak? It's possible. Oh, he's a classic. Wow, look at all this stuff here. Tycho, it's from the 70s. Tycho matching caboose. Are you kidding me? What kind of stuff in here? Oh, Penn Central. Green. His favorite though is whatchamacallit, Conrad. Here's a mystery box. Imagine there's a gold Kruger in here. What the hell is this? Some kind of wooden kit. Alright. Here's a monster with no box. NRC 50 years. And the weight's gone on this side. Athearn makes the best boxes, these blue boxes. Spirit of 76 painted. Looks like there's no power in here. Yeah, Frank was big on making reproductions of graffiti trains. So that's pretty interesting. Maybe he still likes that. Another big hauler. Master collection here. This is insane. U23C. Beautiful colors. This is by Frateschi. I think comes all the way from Brazil. Oh my gosh, where's this end? What the heck is this? This looks beautiful. I gotta think this is something pretty. Quality HO locomotive. Uh-oh. Articulated logger. Oh my Lord. Wow. This is an articulated logger. I don't know what the hell this is. Is this a special piece to get it on the track? Yeah, look at that. I never saw that before coming with a toy train. How neat is that? Use that for everything. Look at how beautiful. 2662. Wow. Can't say never won the lotto. How does this close? Oh, it can't really close all the way. That's interesting. Good thing I noticed that, so I'm going to try to use gorilla strength. What is this? Oh, boxcar. This is Model Railroad Club. No, it's Model Railroad Club that was for. I don't think it was the Brooklyn one. But I'd be wrong. Nice covered hopper, maybe. What's this? I don't remember what these are. This oil carrying car or something? I don't know. Oh, look at this. We found this somewhere recently. The Amtrak, and we fixed it up. Maybe this one works. Here's another part of it. What is in this? Is this a kit? This is a big Walters box. This is Rapid Transit Dummy. Oh, wow. Look at that. 2 of them. And these have seats in them. Wow. There's more of these. Oh, something totally different. What a work train. You never know what's in here. Oh, here's another one of these cars. This one's easy enough to take out. I don't know if there's seats in there or not. Can't tell. No. No seats in this one. Maybe they weren't. It was just a shadow in the other one. Because I thought for a second they were in here too, but Oh, this one hasn't been built yet. He definitely loves passenger. More passenger. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is a power flea. Yeah. Who knows how many of these have the power flea in it? Wow. See, you don't know what you're looking at. So you really should get close. It's crazy. You see the table's filling up. Table is filling up. Might not be able to get through this whole box. This is a work flat car. Okay, work flat car. Very nice work flat car. Okay, this is a quick run through because they said Pemco crane car with boom tender. Pemco operating log dump car. Log dump station. Oh, Bachmann boom and tender. Nice. Nice Athlon flat car. 2. Okay. Pretty rail box car. The wheels seem to be in there. So gondolas. Gosh, another one of these cars. Now this one I could see is just freewheeling. Does not have the flea in it. I wonder if that flea could pull, one flea power could pull all these cars. Who the hell knows? I'll have to ask him. Yeah, here's another one. Let's see. Can I see what livery this is? I don't know. I'm gonna guess it's Philadelphia. Something in Philly, maybe. Oh my God, this is endless. Remember this, so we've looked at 3 boxes, and this is the 4th box we're looking at, although I had numbered it, box number 3 had a sink. So this is 4 boxes, they're still different sizes, of course, there's still 6 more boxes to go. Classic. Irvin R. Athern, 1904 to 1991. Wow, car in honor of Athern. The guy who made Athern. He was great. He did something wonderful and positive with his life. Conrail. Hope he's fondly appreciated. Oh, this is a freewheeling. It's nice looking. I'm not sure what the hell you call it. Forgetting my nomenclature lately. Wow, here's another flea. See that? Yep, that's a power flea. So this car had power. Maybe that's what you needed too for the fleet. I don't know. And we're down to the last box. Wow, another one. Ain't no power. Beautiful. Oh, look at that. It's got the M. So this would be New York City, but where? Maybe this is Long Island? We're going to have to ask him. See that logo? All right, well, that was a quick run through of a gigantic box. That was box number 3. Out of sequence, we've seen 4 total. Hey, thanks for watching with Bobby at Bobby's Hobbies. As you can see, it's quite a stack of boxes. So, all right. Hey, thanks for watching. Please enjoy. I hope you're enjoying. And please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.